Namaste. See, good afternoon, everybody. Today, I am explain about digits, ascending order, descending order, predecessor, successor, natural numbers, whole numbers. See, first of all, digits. The symbols that we use to writing numbers are called digits. The symbols that we use to write numbers are called digits. The symbols that we use to write numbers are called digits. So example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Did you understand? The symbols that we use to write numbers are called digits. See, by using these digits you can write numbers. For example, see, I have to take 1 to 12. From this digits we have to take any digit and write a number. Write a number. For example, I am taking 3, 4, 8. By using these digits, you can form a number. This is 348. This is called digits. Now next, everybody you know. So now I am explaining about natural numbers. Natural numbers. The counting numbers starting from 1 to infinite are called natural numbers. The counting numbers starting from 1 to infinite. To infinite means number of so many numbers. So the counting numbers starting from 1 to infinite. This is the symbol for infinite. 1 to infinite are called natural numbers. It is denoted by n, because of natural numbers start with n. So n is equals to, you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash number of. See, once again is n. What I am saying, try to understand. The counting numbers starting from 1 to infinite are called natural numbers. It is denoted by n. Now next, whole numbers. Whole numbers. All natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. All natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. Whole numbers. It is denoted by W. Then W is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash 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 dash. Did you understand? All natural number along with 0 means all natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that only. And included 0 are called whole numbers. It is denoted by W. W is nothing but whole numbers. W is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that only. So this is the whole number. See, 1. Did you observe? All natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Note. Natural numbers are whole numbers. Whole numbers, ma'am. All natural numbers are whole numbers. But all whole numbers are not a natural number. Remember it. So, next. Ascending order. Ascending order. Arranging the numbers starting from smallest to biggest are called ascending order. Arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest is called ascending order. Arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest is called ascending order. Example 2, 6, 11, 17, 53, 109 like that. So now next descending order. Descending order. Very easy. Arranging the numbers from biggest to smallest is called descending order. Arranging the numbers from largest to smallest or biggest to smallest is called descending order. Arranging the numbers from largest to smallest. Is called descending order. Descending order. Example: 112, 91, 62, 13, 11, 2. This is called as descending order. Now next, successor. Now next, successor. Successor. Already you know about successor. If we add 1 to a given number, then you will get its successor. Did you understand? If we add 1 to a given number, for example, I am taking 236. This is the given number. This is the given number. If we add 1 to a given number, so 236 is a given number, I can add 1. What we get? 237. This is 237 is successor of 236. Did you understand? So you can write here, if you add 1 to a given number, then you will get its successor. So example, the successor of 236 is 237. If you take any number, so if we add 1 to the given number, so 236 plus 1, 237. This is called as successor. Next, predecessor. If we subtract 1 from a given number, you will get its predecessor. See here, if you subtract 1 from a given number, then you will get its predecessor. See here, listen carefully. I am taking one example. See, once again, see. Look at the blackboard, everybody. If you subtract 1 from a given number, then you will get its predecessor. So, The given number is 246. So 1 is subtracted from 246. 6 minus 1, 5, 4, 245. So then the predecessor of 246 is 245. This is the predecessor. Now next, even numbers. Already you know even numbers. The numbers which are divisible by 2 and gives the remainder 0 is called even number. The numbers which are divisible by 2 and gives the remainder 0 is called even numbers. Then you can write, see here, even numbers. The numbers which are divisible by 2 and gives remainder 0 is called even numbers. Even numbers. Now next, odd numbers. Odd numbers. See here, the numbers which are divisible by 2 and gives the remainder 1. Gives the remainder 1 is called odd numbers. See here, even numbers. Even numbers example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, like that only. See, in a given number its place having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are called also even number. In a given number, for example, I am taking 2348. 2348. See, in a given number, one's place having 8. So 8 is a even number. Total, the 2348 is also even number. Okay, did you understand? A number having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at one's place. At one's place is called even number. So I am taking another example, 32,076. 32,076. This is also even number because its limit space having 6. Did you understand? So next, 59,321. 59,321. So this is a even number? No. So its limit space having 1. So it is not even number. Did you understand? That is the even numbers. Next, odd numbers. The numbers which are divisible by 2 and gives the remainder 1 is called odd numbers. See here, the numbers which are divisible by 2 and gives the remainder 1 is called odd numbers. So example of odd numbers: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. A number having, if in its place 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, then the number is called odd number. Did you understand? In a given number, if its place having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, this type of numbers are called odd numbers. Odd numbers. See, here I am taking one example. 37. 37 is a odd number because its place having 7. So it is called as odd number. Next, 4095. 4095. See, 4095. 5 is in its place. 5 is in its place. Then it is called odd number. See, according to this rule, the numbers which are divisible by 2 and the gives remainder 0 is called even numbers. See here, once again I am explaining about even numbers, another process. See here, once again write even numbers. See, according to this rule. So the numbers which are divisible by 2 and gives the remainder 0 is called even number. So I am taking 3446. See, this is even or not. The given number is 346. 346 is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. See here. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 1. Bring down 4. Bring down 4. Next, 2 7s are 14. 14 minus 14 0. Again bring down 6. So 6 is divisible by 2. Where 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 0. Therefore 346 is an even number. See, now next another example. For example, 39,648. Okay, the numbers which are divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0. The numbers which are divisible by 2 and gives the remainder 0. So 39,648 taking as dividend, two taking as divisor. From left to right side I have to take first place, that is 3. So 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2 is possible. 3 minus 2 1. So 1 is less than 2. Bring down 9. So 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. Then 9 minus 8 1. 1 minus 1 0. Bring down 6. So 2 8s are 16. 16 minus 16 0. Again bring down 4. So 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 0. Next bring down 8. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8 0. Did you? The remainder is 0. Then the number is called even number. So therefore 39,648 is an even number. Now next 56,037. Another example. See 56,037 taking as dividend, 2 is taking as divisor. So 5. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 1. Bring down 6. 2 8s are 16. 16 minus 16 0. Bring down 0. 2 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 0. Next bring down 3. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 1. Now bring down 7. 2 8s are 16. See 7 minus 6 1. 1 minus 1 0. Remainder what we get? 1. So remainder 1. It is not a even number. This is odd number. Did you understand? So 56,037 is odd number. So the next another example of odd numbers. Next 78,639. The numbers which are divisible by 2 and gives the remainder 1 is called odd numbers. See here 78,639. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 1. Bring down 8. 2 9s are 18. 18 minus 18 0. Bring down 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 0. Bring down 3. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 1. Bring down 9. 2 9s are 18. See here 9 minus 8 1. 1 minus 1 0. Remainder what we get? 1. See therefore 78,639 is an odd number. Odd number. Did you understand? That is odd number. Now next fraction. What is the definition of fraction? A number having numerator and denominator not equals to 0 is called fraction. See here, number having numerator and denominator not equals to 0, never write d is equals to 0. ఇప్పుడు కూడా d is equals to 0 రాయద్దు. See here, fraction, number having numerator and denominator d not equals to 0 is called fraction. So it can be written as f means fraction, numerator by denominator, n by d not equals to 0, d not equals to 0. See, number having numerator and denominator is called fraction. Then what is the meaning of numerator? Numerator, the number above the bar in a fraction is called numerator. The number above the bar in a fraction is called numerator. Now next, denominator. The number below the bar in a fraction is called denominator. Denominator. So here examples. 5/3. Here, look at the blackboard everybody. Numerator. Numerator is 5. Denominator is 3. Now another example. 91/86. Numerator 91. Denominator 86, like that one. See here, Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. Everybody listen carefully. See here, from first, second, third. See here, Indian place value chart. See, listen. This is, listen carefully. Once period, thousands period. See here. So, according to the Indian place value chart, it is divided by periods. So, months period, thousands period, lakhs period, and crores period. See here, first, second, third. Listen carefully. Fifth, fourth, fifth also. See here, once period, it has three places from left, right to left side. So here, ones place, tens place, third one, hundreds place. Next, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. These three places are in ones period. Now next, fourth place, thousands place. Next, fifth place, 10,000. Place. See here, the place value chart separated into groups is called period. See here, in a Indian place value chart, separated groups are called periods. See here, now I am taking one example, small example. See here, in ones place you can write 1, 2, 3. 1 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place. You can reach 321. That's it. 321. Now I am taking another one. See here, listen carefully. You can write here 3, here 4, here 6. Ones, tens, hundreds. 643. So 643. Now next, I can write here 4, here 5, here 7, here 3. See here, 4 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 7 is in hundreds place. Next, 3 is in thousands place. Okay? See, you can read. How you can read it? 3,754. Did you understand? 3 is in thousands place. So you can read 3,000. 3,000. 3 is in thousands period. In thousands period, 2 places. So fourth place is called thousands place and fifth place is called 10,000 place. But did not given fifth place. So okay, here fourth place, thousands place. So you can write here 3. So 3,000 and ones period, how many places are there? 3 places are there. Ones, tens, hundreds. So you can read 754. 754. Then the number you can read as 3,754. Now next 4, 6, 8, 2. 2 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, 6 is in hundreds place, then 4 is in thousands place. So in thousands period only fourth place is given, that is 1,000th place. So you can read 4,000, 4,682, 682. So now next, so here 3, here 5, here 0, here 8. Listen carefully. This is also very easy. 3 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 0 is in hundreds place, 8 is in thousands place. From right to left side, first 3 places are in ones period. Then fourth and fifth thousands period. So here according to this number, 8 is in thousands place. So 8,000. 8,053. So 0 is in hundreds place, but 0 hundreds don't say like that only. 8,053. So today completed this class. Tomorrow I can explain Indian place value chart with examples. Okay, number name and expanded form, short form, like that only. Thank you. Bye bye.